Welcome to the FTx Academy. In this cashier training, I'll be showing you how to void the most recently added item on a transaction. Before we begin, always remember that the POS panels that you see may differ from the ones that we are currently using. Panels are fully customizable, and if you do have any questions, please refer to your corporate management for any assistance. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and open up our POS. We will go ahead and scan our customer's item. If the customer is a loyalty customer, go ahead and hit yes. If the product is age restricted, go ahead and enter the age verification. And we're going to go ahead and scan some more items. Uh-oh, I accidentally scanned that item an extra time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select the Void Last Item button. This will take the most recently scanned item off of the ticket. Our reason, accidental scan. As you can see, the third item now shows voided, and you can see based on the way it's written that has been returned. We can now go ahead and subtotal out. We don't need a bag, and we're going to go ahead and pay cash. And that, my friends, is how you go ahead and void out the most recently added item to your transaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos. And for more cashier trainings, please check out our cashier training courses in the FTx Academy. Have yourself a wonderful day.